Garnet in crystal healing, meaning, uses, and the best ways to wear it. Garnet is one of the most powerful and fascinating stones used in crystal healing. Known for its deep red glow and grounding energy, garnet has been treasured for thousands of years by ancient civilizations, spiritual healers, travelers, and royalty. Its rich color resembles fire, passion, strength, and life force energy. While many people recognize garnet for its beauty and jewelry, crystal healers value it for much more than appearance. Garnet is believed to awaken courage, improve emotional balance, increase confidence, and help a person feel more connected to their goals and inner power. The word garnet comes from the Latin word granatum, meaning pomegranate, because the crystal resembles the tiny red seeds of the fruit. Garnet is found in many places around the world, including India, Brazil, Africa, Australia, and the United States. Although deep red garnet is the most famous, garnets also exist in green, orange, pink, brown, and even black varieties. In crystal healing, each type carries slightly different energy, but red garnet remains the most commonly used for strength, passion, grounding, and protection. For centuries, garnet has been associated with warriors and travelers. Ancient people believed the stone could protect them from danger and guide them safely through difficult journeys. Some cultures even carried garnet as a talisman for luck and survival. Today, many people continue using garnet for emotional healing, energy balance, spiritual grounding, and motivation. The spiritual meaning of garnet. In crystal healing, garnet is known as a stone of life force energy. It is connected to passion, vitality, courage, determination, and emotional strength. Many healers believe garnet helps awaken the root chakra, which is the energy center connected to safety, stability, survival, and physical energy. When the root chakra is balanced, a person may feel more secure, confident, motivated, and emotionally stable. When it is blocked, people may feel anxious, fearful, unmotivated, emotionally drained, or disconnected from life. Garnet is believed to help restore balance by grounding scattered energy and reconnecting the person to their inner strength. Garnet is also considered a stone of transformation. It is believed to help people move through difficult times, heartbreak, grief, fear, and emotional exhaustion. Instead of allowing negative emotions to remain trapped inside, garnet encourages emotional release and renewal. Many crystal healers say garnet reminds us that even after darkness, new energy and passion can return. Another spiritual meaning connected to garnet is love and devotion. Historically, garnet was exchanged between loved ones as a symbol of loyalty, friendship, protection, and eternal connection. In crystal healing, garnet is often used to strengthen relationships, encourage honesty, and deepen emotional bonds. What garnet is used for in crystal healing? 1. Emotional healing. One of the main uses of garnet in crystal healing is emotional support. Garnet is believed to help people who feel emotionally tired, heartbroken, overwhelmed, or disconnected from themselves. Its grounding energy may help stabilize emotions and encourage emotional resilience. People often use garnet during periods of stress, sadness, anxiety, or major life changes. Crystal healers believe the stone can help transform negative energy into strength and courage. Garnet is also thought to encourage self-worth and remind people of their personal value. Some people meditate with garnet while repeating affirmations such as, I am strong, I deserve love and respect, I trust myself, I am grounded and protected. 2. Energy and motivation. Garnet is often called a stone of energy and action. Many people use it when they feel lazy, uninspired, or mentally exhausted. Crystal healers believe garnet stimulates motivation and helps a person regain focus and determination. Because garnet is connected to fire and life force energy, it is commonly used by people pursuing goals, careers, creative projects, or personal growth. Some believe the stone helps increase productivity, discipline, and perseverance. Students, business owners, artists, athletes, and creators sometimes carry garnet to stay motivated and focused on their ambitions. 3. Protection and grounding. Protection is one of garnet's oldest spiritual uses. Ancient travelers believed the stone could protect them from danger and guide them safely through difficult journeys. Today, Crystal healers still use garnet as a protective stone against negativity, emotional manipulation, and draining environments. Grounding means helping a person stay emotionally centered and connected to reality. Garnet's grounding energy may help calm racing thoughts and reduce feelings of instability or fear. People who feel emotionally overwhelmed or spiritually scattered often use garnet to reconnect with themselves and feel more secure. 4. Love and relationships. Garnet is strongly associated with passion, love, romance, and emotional intimacy. In crystal healing, it is believed to strengthen emotional connection between partners and encourage loyalty, honesty, and trust. Some people use garnet to heal emotional wounds from past relationships or to open their hearts to healthy love again. Because garnet combines passion with grounding energy, it is believed to support stable and lasting relationships rather than temporary attraction alone. Couples sometimes wear matching garnet jewelry as a symbol of commitment and devotion. 5. Confidence and personal power. Another popular use of garnet is boosting confidence and self-esteem. Crystal healers believe garnet helps people trust their instincts, speak with courage, and embrace their personal power. People who struggle with insecurity or fear of failure may use garnet during important situations such as interviews, public speaking, performances, or personal challenges. Its energy is often described as empowering, bold, and fearless. The best ways to wear garnet. Wearing garnet jewelry is one of the easiest and most popular ways to work with its energy. Many crystal healers believe the closer the stone is to the body, the stronger its energetic influence may be. Garnet rings. Wearing a garnet ring is believed to help with confidence, strength, and manifestation. Rings allow the crystal's energy to remain active through the hands, which are connected to action and creation. Some crystal healers recommend wearing garnet on the left hand to receive emotional healing and love energy, wearing garnet on the right hand to project confidence, strength, and motivation outward. A garnet ring can be especially useful during important meetings, creative projects, or emotional healing periods. Garnet necklaces. A garnet necklace keeps the crystal close to the heart and chest area. This placement is often associated with emotional healing, love, courage, and protection. Many people wear garnet necklaces daily for emotional balance and grounding. Wearing garnet near the heart may also help strengthen self-love and compassion. For relationship healing or attracting love, crystal healers often recommend wearing garnet close to the heart chakra. Garnet bracelets. Garnet bracelets are commonly worn for grounding energy and emotional stability throughout the day. Since bracelets stay close to pulse points, many believe they help circulate the stone's energy continuously. A garnet bracelet may help a person remain calm, focused, and emotionally balanced in stressful environments. People who work in emotionally demanding jobs sometimes wear garnet bracelets for energetic protection. Garnet earrings. Although less common in crystal healing discussions, garnet earrings are believed to support mental clarity and confidence in communication. Some believe wearing garnet near the head may help improve concentration and emotional awareness. The best place to wear garnet. The best place to wear garnet depends on the intention behind using the stone. For love and emotional healing, the best place is near the heart, such as necklaces, pendants, heart-level jewelry. This placement may help encourage emotional openness, compassion, and relationship healing. For confidence and strength, the best place is on the hands, such as rings, bracelets. This may help activate action, courage, and determination. For grounding and protection, some crystal healers recommend carrying garnet in a pocket or wearing it lower on the body to strengthen grounding energy connected to the root chakra. For daily energy support, bracelets and necklaces are considered the most practical options because they allow constant contact with the body throughout the day. How to use garnet beyond jewelry. Many people also use garnet in other crystal healing practices. Meditation. Holding garnet during meditation may help deepen grounding and emotional healing. Some people place the stone near the root chakra while meditating to feel more stable and connected. Sleep and rest. Some crystal healers place garnet near the bed for protection and emotional comfort. However, because garnet has energizing properties, sensitive individuals may prefer not to sleep with it too close. Crystal grids. Garnet is often added to crystal grids focused on motivation, protection, love, confidence, manifestation. Carrying garnet daily. A small garnet stone carried in a pocket or bag may provide grounding energy throughout the day. How to cleanse and recharge garnet. In crystal healing traditions, cleansing removes negative or stagnant energy from a crystal. Popular cleansing methods for garnet include moonlight cleansing, smoke cleansing with incense or herbs, sound cleansing, placing it on selenite. Some people also recharge garnet by placing it in sunlight briefly, although prolonged sunlight may affect certain stones over time. Setting intentions while cleansing the crystal is a common spiritual practice. Final thoughts. Garnet is a powerful crystal associated with strength, grounding, passion, protection, and emotional healing. Its fiery energy has inspired people for centuries, making it one of the most beloved stones in both jewelry and spiritual practices. Whether worn as a ring, necklace, bracelet, or carried as a small crystal, garnet is believed to help people reconnect with courage, motivation, love, and inner stability. For those interested in crystal healing, garnet can serve as a reminder that strength already exists within. It encourages resilience during difficult times, inspires passion for life, and supports emotional balance when facing stress or uncertainty. Whether you wear garnet for beauty, spiritual meaning, or emotional support, many believe this timeless crystal carries an energy of empowerment, protection, and transformation.